Welcome back to my channel. First of all, to all my news people, welcome. My name is Margaret, aka Ahoufe Maggie. Ahoufe means beautiful in the Ghanaian language of tree, and to me it also stands for African confidence, femininity, and strength. I am a wife, a mom, a corporate professional, and a lover of all things beautiful and creative. I built my personal brand to share fashion, motherhood, and family, cooking, and motivation. Today I want to help you make fried yam at home and from scratch. This yam is really beautiful, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and without that weird aftertaste that some people sometimes get when they make their yam. I'll show you how I get rid of that. So I'm gonna start with showing you guys the ingredients, and then you can go ahead and get your ingredients and materials and then follow along with me. Thanks. The only ingredient really when it comes to yam is yam. So you need a nice heavy one. When you go to the market, make sure there's no like holes or rotten parts. Some people even cut it before they come, so they can like cut it before they buy it so they can check the inside. You want it to be nice and white. Let me show you what the inside should look like. It should be nice and white, even this side. So what you do is you cut through. When you see these kind of things, you chop them off. So you'll cut through, make sure it's nice and white. See how that fits like that? It's not like I can't use all of this, but I just will cut that part out. So yam, a bit of salt. I'm also gonna add turmeric for color and health benefits, and also oil. Okay, so let's start with the yam. What you're going to do is you're gonna cut rounds of the yam and then peel it. I kind of cut deep into it because I can see that there's some junk. I don't like that kind of stuff. Some people don't care, I don't like it. So I will cut a little bit deep into it to get rid of that kind of stuff. Yam is very similar to potato in the fact that it's like a starchy food. But supposedly it's healthier. I'm not really sure whether it's healthier or not. Then you're gonna cut small rounds. And you're gonna put it in, you have a bowl, and put it right in right away. And cover it with water so it doesn't start turning brown. My thing is a mess. I don't know if you can get just the water going in without too much of the foolishness under the bottom. I'm gonna soak it and keep it in the water. We're gonna rinse it off in a minute, so we'll just keep it in water for now. Now you're gonna take the yam. Now you're gonna put all the pieces back in the water. We're gonna rinse it like 5 times to get all the starch off. And you need to let it soak like 20 minutes in the water. Now you need some oil. Pour it into a separate bowl. Drain the water. And then kind of like, you don't want to bring the water out, you want to let it dry out. So, you want to let it dry out. I'm out of paper towels, but if I had a paper towel, I'll let this dry. You're going to take a little bit of turmeric. Oops. I forgot to add salt to the water, but whatever, I'll add salt to it now. And a little bit of salt. And just kind of massage it because you want all of it to turn a nice light yellow color. Takes a few minutes, but you just massage it all until they're a nice light yellow color. Then you're gonna turn on your oil. Take some salt and put it in a cup. And then add water. Create a bit of salt water. Because you're gonna pour this on the oil at some certain moments to help with cooking it. Okay, anyways, so just throw the yam in. It's not really hot yet. No, it's not hot. Just give it a few minutes. Go ahead and put them in. I like to break them up a bit.